guys. Welcome to Tutor Sisters channel. Please subscribe to our channel to help us grow.
Today we are going to talk about the four labels of 8 o'clock written by Alfred Edward Houseman. We will be talking about the literal comprehension part, interpretation, critical thinking, and finally the assimilation part. Beginning with the literal comprehension part, 8 o'clock is the traditional morning hour of execution in England. The Portiana in the poem 8 o'clock curses his luck. He is in prison. He observes each and every stipple of time. In the poem, there is a relation of man and a clock, which represents the relation of life and death. In the poem, the Portiana says that the next morning when the people hear the bell, it will push them to their work. But an unpleasant thing was about to happen for him. He is going to be executed. He cannot sleep because it is tough to accept death for him. However, there is nothing that he can do to save himself. Therefore, considering himself the unluckiest person, he curses his luck. Then the clock gathered all its strength and struck 8, and he is struck to death. Now we will be talking about the interpretation part. The poem expresses the fear and terror that take place over the Portiana's heart with every ticking sound of the clock. The poem could be attempting to convey the feeling of someone who is about to confront a dreadful situation, death. The poem tries to show the importance of time. The poem justifies that time and tides waits for none. It also asserts that man is servant to time and cannot disobey it. Although he didn't want to die, there was nothing that he could do to save himself from death. It further illustrates how we contemplate over our mistakes only when it's too late. He counts the movement of the clock as if he is counting the mistake of life. He cannot undo the things that he had committed. Time is the most powerful thing in the universe, and no creature can defeat it. It demonstrates how everyone on the planet seeks money and prestige. Nonetheless, our achievements are insignificant. This poem argues that when a man's strength in the world dimly says, the time became more vital. It shows how the life of a Portiana is shifting from simplicity to complexity, which is parallel to the diction of the poem that shifts from gentle to harsh. Now we will be talking about the critical thinking part. I am highly attracted to the poet's master image, and I think poem is an exceptional in conveying deep meaning about the relationship between life and death. The central idea that time becomes more and more powerful, man becomes weaker and irrefutable. The use of words like strapped and noosed in the fifth line to indicate that he is being prepared for capital punishment is admirable. The way poet has demonstrated the relationship between life and death through the association between man and the clock is worthy of commendation. However, there are certain things that I found unconvincing. Instead of lamenting the past, the Portiana could have remembered his positive deeds to console himself. Why should the Portiana blame his luck if he is criminal? Moreover, why the Portiana being sentenced to death? Why doesn't he miss his family or friends? Doesn't it make him self-centered? If he is being sentenced to death, he must have committed an unpardonable crime. He shows no remorse for such a crime, so why he is cursing his luck instead of regretting about his mistakes? Is he sad that he got caught? However, these minute details do not take away the fact that the poem is an excellent piece of work. Finally, we will be talking about the assimilation part. After reading this poem, I received the insight that there is nothing more critical than time. Furthermore, I realized that the only way of making our life purposeful and worthwhile is by doing good while we have time to do that. We should always be careful with our actions. Otherwise, at last, we can only do curse ourselves as the Portiana does in the poem. If he had not committed any mistakes, there would be no reason that drives him to the path of death. This reminds me of a similar poem I read before. The poem on the eve of his execution is the poem which describes the flow of thoughts that goes through a person's mind when his death is approaching him/her. Thank you so much.
If you liked this video, please share it with your friends. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.